boss. I don't know where I'm gonna put everything at in here. I hardly have anything in here and I don't have no room. Well, at least that's how it feels to me. But I have gotten some things done in the shop. Let me show you. All the tools that I used to make that bench and put these walls up and all that stuff, it's all back there on that workbench right now. But that's not where they're gonna stay. I got my air compressor in, built this enclosure. I got it vented so it doesn't get hot. You know, I got me an air hose up here, you know, so if I need air outside, I have it. And since it's a small tank, I have an extra tank right here. Same setup I had at the old shop. Air goes into there. I also have the freezer in here. Nothing in it. Then as you can see, starting there above that tank, all the way down to the back end of the shop, I have my air lines ran. I don't want to hear any comments about you can't run air in PVC pipe. You're not supposed to, but I've done this for years and I've never had a problem. This pipe's rated at 480 PSI. My air compressor does a little over 100. So far, so good. I was watching a video the other day. This guy was restoring an old tool and he went and used his sandblaster. Then I was like, oh crap, I gotta get my sandblaster out and figure out where I'm gonna put it at so I can run the air line to it. So I went out and got my sandblaster, figured I'd set it right here, and then I just ran the line down to here. Now, the issues that I'm having is, where am I gonna put everything? I got my table saw there. Back over there on the other side of the fan, I got my miter saw, but I don't know if that's where I want them. Because when I'm sitting back behind that bench there and looking out this way, where am I gonna put everything? I still have a planer, a joiner, a bandsaw, router table. Then I got 2 3-foot shelf systems. I have a fancy metal Mopar old cabinet that I bought that I gotta hang in here. I just don't know where I'm gonna put it all. Well, at least I got them other 2 buildings back there to keep everything in. So I really don't know what to do. I mean, I got my drill press over there, but I don't know if it's gonna stay there. And as you can see there, I've stacked all my wood up top in the loft. I cut down the 2x6s that I took down across there, pulled all the nails out of them, and I cut them to 8-foot and 4-foot pieces. So I still got some good 2x6s there. Then I got some 2x4s left over from the bench project. I also put my sheets of OSB up there for now. Had to get them out of the way. As you can see, I still have some over there against the bench, but I got a use for those here pretty soon. Like I said, where am I gonna put all this stuff? I keep wanting to set this here, set that there, and then go get something else and set it there, and like, this ain't gonna work. So I'm guessing what I'm gonna have to do is get that white table and chair out of here, this red chair out of here, sweep the floor up and everything, and then just bring all my tools over here and arrange it from there. I don't know. I knew when I moved up here from Arkansas that I wasn't gonna have a big shop like I had there. That was a 24 by 40. This is a 40-foot long shop right here, but I'm 10 foot narrower. Lost 400 square feet. I even kind of measured it out down there just to see how big this was gonna be. And I thought, yeah, this'll all work. I can make that work. Well, I wished I would have recorded my thoughts and my visions then, so maybe I wouldn't have a problem now. Oh yeah, I got the lights up underneath the loft. That way I can sit right here. It looks dark on the screen, so I might have to change some things up with this. I don't know. Well, I thought I'd just give you all a quick update of what's going on here. We've been having some other stuff going on, doctor's appointments and everything. So it just kind of takes time away. And we actually had summer come back for about 3-4 days. It got really hot. But today I think it's like 70 degrees right now. Pretty humid though. It's kind of raining off and on, but at least I'm not sweating like crazy. Well, I'm gonna go back to the drawing board. I'm probably gonna bring all my tools in here, all my power tools, bring them in here and figure out where I'm gonna put them at. So, thanks for watching and see ya!